Hey, I'm JT, and this is my daughter, Brooklyn, aka the Brookinator. How you doing?
I'm doing good today.
All right. Do you want to tell the big next project we're going to work on?
The big next project is except for Mom, we're going back to the Stone Age in this new robotics setting that we're doing. It's a mission that we're going to accomplish soon.
All right. So we're going to work on doing our trademark, not trademark, but our 3D printing, and we're going to make a set where it's back in the BC time, where we're encountering cavemen and pterodactyls and all sorts of things. Here's a little quick sketch if you want to see it. We're going to have a cave with a little fire, you know, because everybody has fire. And then we're going to have Addytude over here, Brookinator, myself. We're going to even put in little Wilson, you know.
Our dog.
No Dino, because I don't want to get, you know, no copyright laws. So we're going to have our dog there. And so stay tuned. So it's Shibley's in the Stone Age. Stay tuned.